Alright guys, so now we're doing a tutorial on quarter notes. Okay, so the last video was on half notes. So if you remember, a half note only plays on 1 and it plays on 3 and it lasts for 2 beats. Okay, so we know in order to turn a whole note into a half note, we have to put a stem on the side, on the right side, right? So now the name of the next note is called the quarter note, like a quarter, right? We need 4 quarters to make a dollar. So look what I'm doing here. I'm going to write 2 more half notes. Alright, so circle with a stem. And then I write 1 more half note over here, okay? A circle with a stem. Okay, let me fix this 4, it's kind of crooked. Alright. Alright, cool. So now we have 4 half notes, alright? The reason that we know that is because it's a circle with a stem. Those are half notes. Now, in order to turn it into the note that we're learning today, which is called a quarter note, we have to shade it in. Remember this, very important. If you shade in a half note, it turns into a quarter note. Okay, so if we shade in a half note, it's no longer a half note, it's a what? Quarter note. Okay, repeat it after me. Remember this, and you remember it, guys. Okay, so if I shade in half notes, they turn into quarter notes. Okay, so now that we have quarter notes, now this note that we're doing right here is super important, guys. Very, it's probably the most important note that you guys are going to be learning for the next couple of months. Alright, and the reason being is for the reason that I'm going to tell you right now. Okay, so very important that you guys learn this and repeat after me. Okay, the quarter note, repeat after me. The quarter note is the only note that plays on the beat. Again, the quarter note is the only note that plays on the beat. Alright, or on the tempo, which we're going to learn later on. Okay, good. So the most important note, because it's the one that plays on the time or the tempo. Okay, so depending on the song or depending on the conductor, the tempo could be 1, 2, 3, 4. It could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. It could be whatever, right? So it could be fast, it could be slow. So this note plays on every single tempo. It could be fast, it could be slow. Okay, that's why this note is super important. All right, so this note plays on every single beat. All right, so repeat after me. The quarter note is the only note that plays on every beat. Okay, so it plays on the 1, it plays on the 2, it plays on the 3, and it plays on the 4. Okay, depending on the tempo. All right, so now we're gonna play it out loud. I'm gonna count it. I want you guys to follow along. So I'm gonna only do it with my right hand. First, I'm gonna demonstrate with my right, left. So we never repeat hands. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Because you never repeat hands, so you always start with the right. Here we go. Counting out loud. Everybody following the board. 1, 2. Count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? Now, that was a pretty medium tempo, right? Let's slow it down now. I'm going to slow down the tempo, so this one's going to play on the tempo. 1, 2, count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to speed up the tempo. 1, 2, count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? So that's what quarter notes are. Remember, shaded in, half note shaded in with a stem, it's a quarter note. And the quarter note is the only note that plays on every single beat. Okay? Or on the tempo, which tempo means time in English. Okay? Alright, here we go, guys.